Mazda Heroes, honoring the human spirit. And it's for that individual that's gone above and beyond in the local community during these rough times during the pandemic. Matthew Elieson has been awarded the 2020 for going above and beyond. We're so proud to be associated with Mazda and Classic Mazda for the presentation for the American Heroes of the American Spirit to Matthew on the 2020 Mazda Miata 100th Anniversary Edition vehicle.
My name is Matthew Elieson. Back in March, when the lockdown started, I also noticed that there was a supply shortage. There were tons of pictures online of doctors who had to resort to wearing trash bags and using other non-optimal pieces of safety equipment. Since I already had a couple 3D printers, there were lots of different 3D designs online that were just needing people to print them and send them in. I found one that was particularly good, where you just had to 3D print one little headband piece, and then you could just use common office supplies like transparency sheets to make the face shield. And I ended up making hundreds of those to give away to local people. Super excited to be able to own this Miata. It's definitely been on my bucket list of cars to drive, and having one on my driveway is a dream come true.